It's possible to have a 160-inch screen in your pocket, ready to be connected at any time, and that's all thanks to these glasses. These are the VIZO Z1 Pro AR glasses from TOZO. Let's take a closer look at how they work and if they're worth getting. Thank you to TOZO for sponsoring today's video and sending us the Z1 Pros for a review. As you might have seen, we currently are in the middle of moving into our new house. It's super exciting, but it also means that a lot of our setups are either completely missing or just partially done. Some of our setups are missing couches, TVs, or even audio equipment, which makes it hard to enjoy things we'd usually take for granted, such as playing a game on the TV after a long day. Our setups are thankfully slowly coming together though, so it's becoming less and less of a problem, but I still want to touch on a product that can be helpful to you in a similar situation, or if you in general lack the space to use a screen that goes up to 160 inches. By the way, none of the screens in our house are that big, so the fact that these glasses can achieve that is super impressive. So the way that these glasses work is that they use AR technology in order to project the screen in front of your eyes through the glasses. Only the person wearing the glasses can see the screen. It can achieve a 160-inch screen size thanks to the tiny built-in displays and prisms that project a transparent image right in front of your eyes, basically tricking your eyes into thinking it sees a large, floating screen. The screen size is technically your perceived size, since it sits so close to your eyes and not the actual size. The result, though, is that it feels like you have a theater-like screen anywhere you go. The Z1 Pro uses a high-resolution Micro-OLED technology in order to make the screen appear high quality to your eyes. It's paired with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is a great feature for smoother motion in gaming or fast-paced videos. Though typically 60Hz is all you really need for the most part, but it's definitely a bonus that it can do 120Hz, especially if you plan to use it with a PS5. It's a really immersive experience gaming with these glasses, since the screen can get so large while maintaining good brightness, over 6000 nit peak, even in bright rooms. While we prefer using these glasses for gaming, it's also a good way to get a movie theater experience at home, thanks to the large screen size, which really makes movies feel immersive. If you don't have access to a large screen to watch movies on, this could be a great alternative. They also have an ultra-lightweight design, weighing as little as 63 grams, which makes it easy to wear for long periods of time. However, we don't see ourselves using it for movies much, mostly because we like watching movies together, and as mentioned, only the person wearing the glasses can see the screen. It would be a great option if you watch movies alone, or if you like watching movies while in the same room as other people, while they play games or watch sports. The glasses are actually useful for work too, as you can use them as a connected monitor. This way, you can get a larger monitor screen size than your setup would normally allow for, which could be great when multitasking. They also come with a diopter adjuster, which help you get the perfect clarity. You can manually toggle it or use the built-in AI autofocus that helps you set the focus between 1 and 600 degrees. So, are they worth getting? Well, if you're on the hunt for a pair of solid and reliable AR glasses, then yes. They have a large 160-inch screen capacity and are compatible with a multitude of devices from phones to gaming consoles to PCs. They provide a crisp, bright, and colorful picture with good focus. If you already have a good TV though, or enjoy watching movies or playing games with other people, then this might not be for you. Its biggest downside is the fact that only one person can see the screen, which immediately doesn't work if you plan to watch the movie with other people. Either way, the VIZO Z1 Pro is a great option if you're looking for AR glasses, and does provide a pretty unique experience. Thank you again to TOZO for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to check the description below for more info. Please let us know in the comments below what you think of AR glasses like these in general. Is it something you'd like to try? Or do you prefer more typical TVs and monitors? Make sure to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews like these in the future. We also have all the products that we like using in our setups on our website at CamXPetra.com if you're interested in that. We post daily short form content too, here on YouTube and also on TikTok and Instagram at CamXPetra. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye.